Here's how to log into your Rajhi Bank account on a new device. Let's get started.
Firstly, open your Rajhi mobile app. Once you open it, enter your Igama number or username and your password. Once you done, tap on next. And now tap on add device to trust list. Now tap on receive a call. Now the bank will call you, and once you receive a call, pick it to approve your request by tapping the random number, and they will request you to enter the code that sent to your mobile number. And once you're done, tap on go back to dashboard. Now tap on login. Enter your username or ID number and your password, and tap on login again. And now you will receive one-time password. Once you receive it, start tapping it. Now you have successfully logged into your account on your new device. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.